Hi, this is Asif from Asif DJ Services. Today we will discuss on YouTube SEO complete course. So before you learn what YouTube SEO is, it is important to take a few steps back and understand what SEO is. Actually, search engine optimization is the set of strategies for optimizing the user experience that aims to improve a page's positioning on search engines. SEO emphasizes on different programming, design, content, productions, and the relationship with other sites, so that search engines considered that page is the best result for what the user is looking for. Of course, when it comes to SEO, what you want is to reach the top position of Google search. So now I will tell you the 8 points which are very important before starting the SEO. Number 1, conduct keyword research first. So what you will do in the start, first of all, conduct keyword research first. Actually, keywords are essentials in YouTube SEO as well as for Google. Through them, the platform identifies the video's subject, the content, and associate it with user searches. So when you finish your conduct keyword research, then what you will do, you will go to the second point. Second point is also very important before going to the SEO. Choose keywords with good reach potentials. Very important. Second point is choose keywords with good reach potentials. What it does mean? Means with the tips above, you already have a good list of keywords. So how do you pick the best one for your videos? Of course, you must think, I will choose the words that are most used in searches. Yes, of course, the most popular terms tend to attract more people. However, they have more competition. So the thing is that after doing this thing, you have to go for the next point, use a good video title. Title is also very important for your SEO, because if you have a good and short title and title in 2 or 3 words, then it is 100% chance that your channels will become on the top in Google search. After performing a good keywords research, you already have a good selection of terms at hand. So what do you do with them? One of the fields where the keywords needs to appear in the title, there is one of the most important factors for YouTube to index and rank the content. And for the video to appear in a good position, the title must be close as possible to user search terms. When you will finish this, then you have to go to the next point, add tags to the video. Tags are very important for your video, because when you will use the good tags, hashtags, then 100% chance that your video, your channel will be top on the Google. Anyone who works with SEO for a Google knows that stuffing a page's code with the keywords in the meta tags no longer makes sense. The search engine no longer use these aspects as a ranking factor, since it was widely used as a spam. On YouTube, however, tags are essential for ranking a video. There are among the factors that YouTube consider to identify the subjects of a video and the index it correctly, but also recommended related videos. So once you finish add the tags to the video, then you have go to the fifth point, that is called write smart